She's counting out loud, trying to keep her balance.
Put your foot down.
Suddenly the officer cuts in. Put your hands behind your back.
Don't resist.
Her voice
You're
jumps.
charge of something else, okay?
I'm not. The words hang in the air as the cuffs come out and the night changes instantly.
Right, come on up. Come on over
I'm not.
She explains she was
Mr.
just
Sherrill.
dropping
Yeah.
friends
here.
off.
How are you tonight?
I'm doing good.
They
How are
told
you?
her to skip the
You know what
cones,
happened?
but she
You
didn't
know why
like it.
So they were.
She says she
telling me
lives in South
they're my
Tampa
friends. I
and
don't go
only
to
had
school
one
here.
glass of
They're
wine
just telling
with
my
dinner.
friends that I should like to pull into here.
Okay.
And I just wasn't sure like what to do. So I was pulling. I was pulling in, and then they were like, "Oh, skip the cones," and I didn't think it was right. But I kept
Okay.
going.
You were just
And I was
visiting here for the...
Yeah, I'm just dropping them off. It's not.
The officer notices the missing
And how
bumper.
much have you had to drink tonight?
She
Not
says
much
someone
at
hit
all.
her a long
Okay.
time
What did you
ago
have?
and she never had the money
Like
to
one
fix it.
drink, and that was because I drink wine with my dinner.
Drink wine?
Yeah.
Okay.
I had like one glass. It's not. Yeah, it's
What
not
happened
crazy.
to the back bumper of your car?
It's been gone for a long time. Somebody crashed into me a long time ago, and it fell off.
He asks about medical
Do
issues.
you have any medical problems?
She
or
talks
anything?
about a fractured hip, knee
Nothing
problems,
crazy, no.
and
my
years in
hip's
the
been
army.
fractured.
Okay.
My right
She
hip has been
insists she
fractured,
can
and I
still
played hockey
walk
my whole
fine.
life, and I'm in the army, so
Okay.
pain, but like nothing crazy, no.
How long ago did you fracture the hip?
A couple of years.
Did you have to have surgery or anything?
No, I had an MRI done, but
Okay.
nothing.
Physical therapy, anything like that?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay. But you feel like you're back to normal now?
Yeah,
Healthy?
I'm okay. Sometimes it like acts up, but it's nothing too bad. This knee too with the same like ligament tear or something. I don't remember. Again, basic training, but
Okay. And how does your legs feel right now? Your hip? Everything's okay?
Decent, yeah.
Are you able to walk okay?
yeah,
Are you on any medications?
The eye test
yeah.
starts.
If you would put
She
your feet
tries to
together like
follow
I'm
the
doing,
light,
and your
but
arms
keeps
down to your
shifting.
side.
The officer tells her to stand still.
See the red light in front of you?
Yeah.
What I'm going to
She
have you
admits
do,
she has trouble
I'd like you to
trusting
follow
people
that
and
light
can't
with your
stop
eyes,
moving.
But keep your head still as I move that back and forth,
All right.
okay?
She explains she took liquid cough medicine a few hours earlier, along with allergy prescriptions. The officer decides to continue with physical
So you
tests
said you're not
anyway.
on any medications right now?
No.
Okay.
Like cough medicine, but if that counts, yeah.
No. When did you last take it?
2 or 3 hours ago. Maybe.
What type of cough medicine was it?
I started taking the Mucinex.
Okay.
I do have a prescription for allergy meds too. so I
That's
take
fine.
those.
The Mucinex that you took, that was a cough medicine that you
Yeah,
took?
regular,
Mucinex?
like the normal.
Like a liquid form of it or
Yeah.
the pill?
No, liquid.
Liquid, and you just took like the one
The
dose?
normal dosage,
Okay,
yeah.
straight down. Don't worry about the angled
Yeah.
ones. Yep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the instructions. I'm going to show you how to do this, okay?
Okay.
While I'm doing all of that, I want you to stand on the line with your left foot on the line.
Like this.
So put your left foot on the line first.
Okay.
Yep. And then take your right foot, place it in front of your left foot so it touches heel to toe. Make sure one foot is directly in front of the other foot. And then
Alright.
place your arms down to your side.
Yeah.
Now don't begin walking until I tell you to start, okay?
Okay.
All right. So when I tell you to, I'd like you to take 9 heel to toe steps, counting your steps out loud as you walk down the line. You're then going to turn around, walk back down the same line, 9 heel to toe steps, counting your steps out loud, okay? I don't want you to start just yet, okay?
Oh, I'm sorry.
So it's okay. So your first step will be number 1, and each step needs to be heel to toe like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9. On your 9th step, I want you to leave your front foot on the line. Remove only your back foot, taking a series of small steps to complete a turn just like this.
Okay.
Okay? And then you're going to walk back down the line, 9 heel to toe steps, counting your steps out loud. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9.
Okay.
So while you do this, I would like you to look at your feet as you walk. Count your steps out loud. Keep your arms down to your side. then once you begin walking, don't stop until you completely finish this.
Okay.
Do you have any questions on how to do this? Put your feet together, arms down to your side. Now don't do anything until I tell you, okay?
All right, yeah.
This one, when I'm going to show you first, okay? When I tell you to, you're going to raise 1 foot. Doesn't matter which one you do. You're going to raise it so it's about 6 inches off of the ground.
Okay.
Point your toes straight out, just like this.
Yeah.
Look at that foot and then count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and so on until I tell you to stop.
All right.
Okay? Make sure you keep your legs straight. Don't bend it at the knee like this. Make sure it's straight. Make sure
I do move a lot. I have, like, interest. I move a lot, so yeah.
Well, what do you
Just so
mean?
you're sure,
What do you
but,
mean by
like,
that? Like
I
quick,
can't
like
stop moving.
like
Yeah.
just like arm
ADHD,
twitching and stuff.
So, yeah,
okay.
I can't. It's hard for me.
That's
to
fine.
Focus, but I can do it.
If your
try.
hands and stuff move like that, that's totally fine. But what I want you to do is try to keep your arms down to your side, your leg up or your foot about 6 inches off of the ground. Make sure your toes pointed out, not up in the air, but out like that.
Okay.
All right. Do you have any questions on how to do that?
No, I'm good.
All right. You can begin when you're ready.
1001,
Make sure you're looking at your foot.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 2007, oh good lord, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 17, 2018,
Just continue from where you were.
2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Don't resist. You're gonna get charged with something else. Okay. You are being placed under arrest for DUI.
I'm not. No, I'm not.
Right. Come on up. Come on over here.
I'm not. I'm so sorry.
Can you what?
I'm not.
Come up here.
can't.
Come on up to the front of the car. Okay.
I can't stand.
Stand still.
No, I can't stand on 1 foot. I'm sorry. I can't.
Well, it's not just about standing on 1 foot, okay? It's a little bit more than that, right?
Sorry, hold on.
Do you have anything illegal on you?
No. I have to.
Any pills?
Did they already leave?
Yes. Do you have any pills or anything like that in your pockets?
No.
Okay.
Can I take a minute?
Yep, I'm gonna have you gotta have a seat in the back of my car, okay?
Okay. I'm sorry.
Come on back here.
I have to release ice.
You have what? You can tell me.
No.
Okay.
I,
Are you active military right now?
yes.
Okay.
I have no. I have.
You want me to roll the window down for you?
I have to slow down for a minute. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Can I have my phone and everything on my car?
I'll get it for you. There are so many open containers in here. It is astounding. It really is everywhere you look. There's an open container or something. All right. Let's see. There are like a hard seltzer. There's an empty can of like a, I don't know what this is, seltzer of some sort. Empty box of twisted tea. Looks like an empty twisted tea can on the floor.
This is fire.
A Miller Lite can empty. Here's a box for a silver Patron tequila. There's nothing in it. Another seltzer, empty. Another seltzer, empty. Seltzer, empty. That's the twisted tea I was talking about earlier. This car is a wreck. Holy cow. Here is a Tito's little shot, empty. Another Beast hard seltzer, or oh, maybe it's a beer. Here's a La Marca Prosecco Rose in the glove compartment, empty. No, I can't force you to do it. Okay. If are you familiar with what happens in Florida if you don't do the breath test?
No.
Okay. So basically what happens is if you don't do the breath test, your license gets suspended.
Okay.
So for DXT for 1 year.
Okay.
Let me look at your license, hang on. Make sure there's nothing else on here. I'm assuming there's not. Suspended license.
Oh, why?
Failure to pay traffic fines on November 6, 2023. Again, November 6th in 2023, and then insurance on March 16. What's that?
I wasn't aware of that. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I wouldn't be driving if I knew that. So.
Yeah. Basically, so what had happened with you? The options for you are, if you refuse the breath test, it's a 1 year suspension. If you do the breath test and you blow over a .08, it's a 6 month suspension. Either way, you can go and apply for a hardship license so you can drive for work and necessities. So, do you have any questions? No questions? What's that? Okay, I understand. I do have to read you something, okay? And it's basically the same thing that I just told you. But kind of like in a legal format. Oops, there we go. You're welcome to read along. I'm going to read this paragraph right here, okay? Some of this is not going to apply to you, so when I'm done reading this, I'll explain that. So right here, if you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you have been previously fined under Florida Statute 327.35215, which is boating under the influence, for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you have been previously fined under Florida Statute 327.35215 for a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor, in addition to any other penalties which can be imposed by law. Refusing to submit to testing is admissible as evidence in a criminal proceeding. So, out of this, the 18 months and the additional misdemeanor charge does not apply to you.
Okay.
The only thing that applies to you out of this is the 1 year suspension, and this refusing to submit to testing is admissible as evidence in a criminal proceeding.
Okay.
Meaning that if it were to go to court, I could say, yes, you refused.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Do you have any? Hey, I've got a female that will need to be searched a little bit better when we get in here. Booking.
So I'm booking a CBT.
I'm going to go straight to booking.
One park on a less secure west.
Thanks.
Look your arrestee up to the door, have somebody come outside.
All right, we'll do. right there. All right, we'll go straight up to that door there. Just have you stand right over here to go to the room.